I'm on one of the Northeast's most famous streets to show you a home of different shapes, materials and textures. This is a forward-thinking, beautifully designed 6-bedroom home. Welcome to Runnymede Road. Through these double gates, there's 2 large driveways divided by silver birch fencing. This modern home has aluminium windows and a stunning aged bronze double door. The hallway leads into interconnecting open-plan living spaces. There's a living area with a feature fireplace and recessed lighting, and sliding double doors that lead you into the kitchen. The kitchen has a peninsula island with granite worktops, a pantry and smeg appliances, and leads through into an extending dining space. The modern lounge has an apex ceiling with a wood-burning stove, slate wall, and 2 sets of bifolding doors down each side, allowing you to completely open the space up into the outside. The beautifully large garden has a lawn and borders this granite paved terrace which stretches the full width of the property. There's a self-contained annex perfect for guests and multi-generational living. Upstairs, there's angled windows in the bedrooms, and there's solid wood fitted blinds on most of the bedrooms, upstairs and down. Each bedroom is extra large with a private bathroom. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in wardrobe, with a private lounge area and an impressive balcony overlooking the rolling hills and fields beyond. This is the epitome of modern open-plan living, with interconnecting spaces that flow inside and out. I'm Michael Mortimer, until next time.